In any drawing document, especially with a part with a lot of holes in it, a hole table can be useful for setting up all the locations on a single table. In this case, I don't have too many holes, but I'll go ahead and just display how that works within this part. I'll go ahead and select this bottom line as the x-axis and this side as the y-axis. And then I can select out faces to reference for creating the whole table. And then when I click OK, it's going to add in a table with all the x locations, the y locations, the sizes, as well as a tag that's attached to the drawing view. I can also use the combine tag option. This will greatly simplify the table. As well as the combine same size option. But that's how you use a whole table. If you are using a whole table with a large number of holes, you'll probably want to use the combine tag option so you don't have a table that's running off the page.